Deep inside this forgotten jungle, hidden beneath thick trees and mist, lies an abandoned railway track that hasn't seen life in decades.
And here, we discover something extraordinary. A giant Pirate Thomas locomotive, lost and forgotten in the heart of the forest.
Years of rain, rust, and silence have taken their toll. The once powerful machine is now covered in corrosion and decay.
The front emblem, once a proud pirate symbol, now sits broken and worn by time. But today, that story changes. The restoration begins.
Before any work begins, every part of the locomotive must be carefully inspected.
The massive iron wheels, completely seized after years of neglect.
First, the team must reclaim the locomotive from the jungle that has taken it over.
Slowly, the old railway track begins to appear again beneath the layers of nature.
With the jungle cleared, the full scale of the forgotten locomotive is finally revealed. The broken pirate emblem, removed to prepare for repair.
Next, the enormous iron wheels must be removed for restoration.
Old copper steam pipes. Corroded and fragile after years of exposure.
Inside the engine housing, the mechanical heart of the locomotive lies silent.
Years of dirt and decay, washed away with powerful streams of weight.
Industrial cleaning foam breaks down stubborn grime and rust residue.
Slowly, the original metal surface begins to appear again.
Now comes one of the most important steps, removing decades of rust.
The restoration begins with careful disassembly of the damaged parts.
With precision and power, the rust disappears, revealing the strong steel.
After careful sandblasting, decades of corrosion vanish, revealing the solid steel beneath, ready for restoration.
Broken plates are welded carefully, restoring the locomotive's structural strength.
Dented areas are gently hammered and pressed, bringing the original shape back to life.
The cracked boiler is repaired with precision, ensuring the heart of the train will be safe and strong.
The massive wheels receive new bearings, and every axle is oiled for smooth movement. Inside the engine, rusted gears are cleaned and copper pipes restored, reviving the mechanical heart of the locomotive. Every moving part receives fresh lubricant, ensuring the train will move smoothly once more.
To protect the metal, a smooth anti-rust primer is applied across the entire locomotive. The primer forms a protective layer, preparing the train for its final paintwork.
With primer set, the locomotive is ready for its dramatic new look, dark red and black, with cursed pirate accents.
The restoration enters its most dramatic stage, and the dark red base coat gives the locomotive its powerful new life. Black detailing is carefully added, emphasizing the cursed pirate theme of the train.
The pirate skull emblem is restored with golden highlights, bringing its cursed aura to life.
A glossy finish seals the paintwork, making the locomotive shine like new, yet mysterious.
With paint complete, the massive wheels are reinstalled, every bolt tightened carefully.
Side rods and connecting parts are reattached, bringing the train's mechanics back to life.
Fresh copper pipes are installed, restoring the train's inner workings for smooth steam flow. Engine housing is closed, hiding the intricate machinery, now fully restored. Every moving part is checked. Each gear and piston now functions perfectly after careful restoration.
The transformation is complete. The cursed pirate locomotive stands fully restored, ready to return to life after decades of neglect. Before the final reveal, the boiler is tested, and steam slowly rises, breathing life back into the train.
Black detailing is carefully added, emphasizing the cursed pirate theme of the train.
The pirate skull emblem is restored with golden highlights, bringing its cursed aura to life.
A glossy finish seals the paintwork, making the locomotive shine like new, yet mysterious. With paint complete, the massive wheels are reinstalled, every bolt tightened carefully. Side rods and connecting parts are reattached, bringing the train's mechanics back to life.
Fresh copper pipes are installed, restoring the train's inner workings for smooth steam flow.
Engine housing is closed, hiding the intricate machinery, now fully restored.
Every moving part is checked. Each gear and piston now functions perfectly after careful restoration.
The cursed pirate locomotive stands reborn, a legend returned from the shadows of the forest, ready for its final journey.
And now, the cursed pirate locomotive glides along the tracks, alive and majestic, its story restored.
Every detail shines. The pirate theme comes to life as the train moves with silent power.
Steam rises and dances through the mist, whispering tales of forgotten years and newfound life.
The glowing headlight pierces the forest, revealing the fully restored cursed locomotive in all its glory.
Massive iron wheels and rods moving flawlessly, every mechanical part restored to perfection.
The pirate emblem gleams, a symbol of mystery, power, and a legacy reborn.
The locomotive moves through the jungle as if reclaiming its kingdom, every curve and panel restored beautifully.
Steam mingles with the morning mist, breathing life into every corner of this forgotten forest.
The full train is in motion, a masterpiece of restoration, combining history, mystery, and power.
And finally, the cursed pirate Thomas train is reborn, alive once more, a legend returned from the shadows of the...
Every wheel shines, reflecting decades of history restored, moving in perfect harmony.
Steam rises and twists, carrying the secrets of a forgotten locomotive back into life.
The pirate theme gleams under morning light, each detail restored with care and precision.
The mechanical heartbeat of the locomotive, every rod and piston moving flawlessly after restoration.
The glowing headlight pierces the mist, guiding the cursed pirate train through its reclaimed jungle path.
The train interacts with the forest around it, reclaiming the track's nature once tried to hide.
Steam dances in the light, a visual symphony of restoration and rebirth.
The restored locomotive moves majestically, its full size and beauty now revealed for all to see.
The train glides silently through the jungle, its massive frame cutting through mist and shadow.
Approaching the final chapter of its journey, the cursed pirate locomotive stands triumphant. The restored pirate locomotive glides forward, powerful, mysterious, and alive once more.
Every piston, every rod moves flawlessly, a testament to decades of careful restoration. Steam and mist intertwine, whispering the secrets of the locomotive's revival.
Every panel, every detail shines, the cursed pirate theme restored to P.
The locomotive moves through the jungle, as if reclaiming the tracks. nature bending to its presence.
The piercing glow of the headlight cuts through mist, lighting the path of a legend reborn. The massive iron wheels roll effortlessly, every mechanical movement restored to flawless precision.
Steam rises in soft clouds, reflecting the light. A final breath of the full scale of the train is revealed, majestic, restored, and commanding the forgotten tracks.
And finally, the cursed pirate Thomas train disappears into the mist, reborn, alive, and forever.
Every inch of the locomotive glides forward, reborn and commanding its reclaimed tracks with grace. Steam rises like a spirit, announcing the return of a forgotten legend. Every panel shines. Every detail tells a story of mystery, power, and careful restoration.
The mechanical heartbeat pulses. Rods and pistons move perfectly in harmony. The locomotive moves through the jungle, every curve and shadow accentuating its cursed pirate theme. The headlight cuts through the forest fog, guiding the pirate train on its first journey since restoration.
Smooth and precise, every wheel and rod moves like new, echoing decades of careful work.
From above, the scale of the restoration is clear, a giant locomotive reborn in a forgotten world.
The steam slowly fades, leaving only the restored form of the legendary pirate train in the jungle.
And so, the cursed pirate Thomas train journeys onward. Alive, majestic.
The restored pirate train glides silently, every detail shining, every gear moving flawlessly.
Steam rises and dances with the morning shadows, a ghost of the past reborn into the present.
The vibrant paint and golden emblem shimmer, proof of meticulous restoration and care.
The mechanical heartbeat continues, each wheel and rod in perfect harmony. The locomotive moves as if the forest itself bows to its return. Every branch, every leaf in its path a witness to its rebirth.
Steam rises like a living spirit, breathing life back into the heart of this cursed pirate train.
The headlight shines through the morning mist, guiding the pirate locomotive as it claims its first journey in decades. The full form of the restored locomotive is revealed, majestic, powerful, and alive once more.
The steam slowly dissipates, leaving only the restored, shining pirate locomotive behind, a legend reborn.
And so the cursed pirate Thomas train disappears into the mist, alive, majestic.
The pirate train glides silently through the jungle, every detail restored to perfection, every movement smooth and majestic.
Steam rises like pillars of life, a visual symphony marking the train's return from decades of silence.
The glossy paint shines under the sun, the pirate emblem gleams. Every panel tells a story of careful restoration.
The glossy paint shines under the sun. The pirate emblem gleams. Every panel tells a story. Every rod and piston moves in flawless rhythm. The mechanical heartbeat of the locomotive restored.
The locomotive moves through the dense jungle. The forest seems to bow to its presence, each leaf a witness to its revival.
A headlight pierces the morning fog, guiding the pirate locomotive as it reclaims its lost path.
Steam rises and curls in the sunlight, a final breath of life for the restored locomotive.
Every detail glimmers. The cursed pirate theme comes alive as the train moves majestically. From above, the scale and beauty of the restored locomotive are undeniable. A legend reborn in the forest.
The restored pirate locomotive continues its silent journey, each movement smooth, each detail gleaming under the morning light.
Steam rises like pillars of life, a visual symphony marking the return of a forgotten legend.
The glossy paint shines brilliantly. The pirate emblem gleams. Every panel.
The mechanical heartbeat is flawless, each rod and piston moving perfectly in harmony.
The locomotive moves majestically through the jungle. The forest bends to its presence, every branch and leaf a witness to its revival. The glowing headlight pierces the mist, guiding the cursed pirate locomotive on its first journey in decades.
Steam raises a twist in the sunlight.
Every detail glimmers, the cursed pirate theme alive as the train moves majestically through its reclaimed jungle path. From above, the locomotive's majesty is undeniable, a legendary machine reborn in the heart of the forest.
And as it vanishes into the mist, the cursed pirate Thomas train stands immortal, alive, majestic,